You ever stare at your toilet and think there's no way a magic powder is about to fix this? Yeah, same. So if you're here because you search Fizz Clean review or does Fizz Clean actually work? Good news, I did the digging so you don't have to flush your money down the toilet. Literally. Fizz Clean is advertised as a drop-in toilet powder. No scrubbing, no effort. You pour it in, walk away, and boom. Lime scale gone, rust gone, stains gone, bacteria defeated, like it's a boss fight. Sounds amazing, right? Here's where reality kicks in. First red flag, there's no clear explanation of how it works. No safety data sheet, no ingredient breakdown, no science behind how the fizz magically removes years of buildup. For a product claiming deep cleaning, that's suspicious. Second problem, the instructions don't even agree with each other. Some sellers say wait 10 minutes, others say 20, some say longer. If a product can't decide how long it needs to work, that's not convenience, that's confusion. Third, and this one matters, they strongly imply it kills bacteria and disinfects. But there's no EPA registration, no lab testing, no certification shown anywhere. That's a huge claim with zero proof behind it. Now let's talk real world results. People report light fizzing, some bubbles, maybe a fresh smell, but no serious stain removal. The heavy grime still there, the stuff shown disappearing in ads, not happening without scrubbing. And those ads, extremely polished, countdown timers, bundle urgency, big promises, very little evidence. So here's my honest take, Fizz Clean isn't some revolutionary cleaner. It's another overhyped product riding on market, not performance. You might get a product in the email, what you won't get is the effortless deep clean they promise. Bottom line, Fizz Clean is not worth the hype, not backed by proof, and yes, this one's a scam. If this saved you money, hit like, subscribe, and stick around because missing one bad product is good, but avoiding the next one is even better. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.